Guys, so kung nakikita nyo yung problema na yan, kung and then ginawan ko ng bracket yan guys, parehong angle bar lang yan, pinagdikit ko lang yan. Alright guys, so I made this DIY bracket solid. Now this one is like 40 inches using this hammer. Now we're gonna put the bracket, gonna weld right there, weld, it's not gonna go anywhere, and then we're gonna put another bracket DIY. We're gonna weld guys. Alright, let's do it. Yan guys, remote yung welder ko guys. May bracket na yung alam na this. Tapos na yung ating welding 101 guys. Ikaw may side mirror, ako wala. Damn ass. Damn A. You tell me. Alright, I give you some update guys. Before. There's a cement underneath. It's a wrong design guys.